Hi, this is Jeff with iPhone Download Blog. Let's talk about FreeSync for the iPhone. FreeSync is a jailbreak tweak that allows you to use your iPhone while it is syncing with iTunes. If this sounds familiar, no doubt you've probably heard of Synchronicity, which does basically the same thing. Now, what's different between Synchronicity and FreeSync? Well, the main difference is in the Settings app. As you know, Synchronicity does not include a settings section in your Settings app to add any adjustments or to make any modifications, while FreeSync features a bevy of different options. You can enable or disable the tweak directly from the Settings app. You can change the various notification options. You can have status bar icons. In fact, there's 3 different types of status bar icons you can enable. And then there's a heads-up display, which displays a nice image telling you when the sync has started and when the sync has stopped. There's also that pulsing bar. If you remember in Synchronicity, a few versions back, they had a pulsing red bar at the top that tells you when your iPhone was syncing with iTunes. Well, that option is here in FreeSync to enable or disable. There's audible alerts, vibration, things of that nature. And then another interesting point about FreeSync is that it gives you the option to enable or disable certain apps during syncing. Now, as you know, it's probably not wise to open your iPod app while your phone is syncing with iTunes, same with the App Store, because it can corrupt your database. Now, with Synchronicity, what it does is it basically just cancels out your sync as soon as it recognizes that one of those apps have been opened. Now, with FreeSync, the difference is it completely disables that app, so it doesn't cancel your sync and it keeps your database protected. That's a nice provision by the developer for FreeSync. So let's test it out. Let's see how it works. I'll just plug my cable in, and we'll probably see a nice heads-up display. There you go, syncing. That's a nice touch. And then you have your status bar icon indicating that you're syncing as well. Now, what about opening the iPod app? Let's try that. See? The iPad app is disabled during sync. So it doesn't cancel your sync out when you inadvertently touch the iPod app, or you forget you're syncing and then you open the iPod app and then bam, your sync is done. So FreeSync is a definite nice alternative to Synchronicity. Synchronicity is just more of a set it and forget it type of thing. FreeSync gives you a lot more options for the power user. FreeSync is available for $1 on the Cydia store, and it's available for download now. This is Jeff with the iPhone Download Blog.